Girl, my hair is dirty, it's neglected, mind your business. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time seeing this beautiful chocolate face, welcome to It's Amazing. What are you doing? You know you like the vibe, you like the look, you should make that red button great and subscribe to my channel. We're doing hairstyles galore, fashion, and everything in between. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to another video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully we get some cute looks out of these scarf styles. I'm a lazy natural at heart, and so scarf styles are right up my alley. If you would like to see even more of my beautiful chocolate face, you can follow me on my social media accounts be listed down below. Link just for you. Like, all you gotta do, go down there, click the link, then put her eyes on all my phone pictures. If you're doing all that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment your favorite look. I'm ready to do my hair. I got some pictures to take, got some tests to study for. So let's just get right into this video. The title of this video, you guys already know what's to go down. I'm going to be showing you 3 cute and quick and easy and simple scarf styles that would be perfect for the summertime, girl. You know I'm all about that neglected cute hair life, so I'm about to try to put y'all onto these styles. Okay, so to start, I already have my edges done because I honestly feel like they're not a necessity but an option that I like. So I know not everybody, girl, my hair is dirty, it's neglected, mind your business. And I will be starting on stretched hair. This is how I stretch my hair. If you want a video on it, I will have a link below just for you. And now I'm just going to fluff and shape my hair like a little fro just to get rid of all like this, and then we can start with the hairstyle. Girl. I'm just going to go in with my pick just to, you know, reinforce the stretchness and get like a whole bunch of volume for the hairstyle. I'm going to be pulling the hair, the length of the hair, and focusing mainly on the root and just, you know, making it do what it do, girl. You know what to do. This is literally flying everywhere. Like, I hope you can't see this. I can, I'm sorry, but this video still gonna go up. For look 1, I'm going to be getting a headband. Because it's more gonna be pushed back, I want it to be still big, so I'm not gonna constrict it with like a tighter band or whatnot. I will actually recommend like a string, but all of my string decided to run away today and I'm not gonna find it, so headband it is. I'll gather my hair like so. Gather it into like a low ponytail. Like, y'all see that? I hope you saw it. And then I'm going to be taking my headband to lay that on the hair. And I don't think I'm gonna do it once because like I said, I want my puff pony thing to be big. And then I know it looks crazy, but the headband is just to make sure everything is like back so the scarf won't have to do so much work, so we can just lay flat at the beginning. But yeah, we can still have our party in the back. But now I'm just gonna take the bottom of the headband, I'm gonna tighten it like this and pull it. And as you can see, like, you can kind of see it constricting against this area of my hair. That's what I want. Just gonna get it like that. Have it like this at the back of my head and pin that in place. And I'm gonna do 2 and like make an X at the back of my head just so it can be more secure. So now that we have her pinned, it is time to go in with the star of the show, which is our scarf. And here's my scarf. I feel like it goes perfect with this shirt. Not a designated head scarf. This is actually like a scarf, like winter bird type scarf. We're gonna make it do what it do. It's pretty big. And so what I'm gonna do is just get it, and I'm just gonna do it in half. And just keep doing that, flipping it, flopping it, and condensing it until we get something more practical for our head. This thick, like so. And I'm just gonna get the scarf and put her on top of my edges a little bit. Push her back, girl. Like, just push her back on top of the hair right here. So now I'm just gonna tighten and let that constrict. Whew, girl. And I do mine kind of tight because I just do mine kind of tight. I'm grown. Now I'm going to take the arms and just swirl them in the opposite direction I'm just going to cross over like so. And it's so cute already, I can tell. I'm just gonna cross that over and tuck it in on the sides. And voila, this is style 1. It is so cute. Like, I be trying not to hype myself up, like gas myself, but this is cute, y'all. This is cute, you can't deny. Like, and you can just shape it, the puff how you want. If you want it tighter, you can, what can you do? Pin it closer, but I want mine out and down and just free and no end. So that's what we're gonna do. This is look numero uno. Just giving flower child, all of the above. Like, she's giving ethereal princess, all of that good stuff. To go to style 2. I know I said I'm gonna do 3. I'm sorry, y'all, it's just 2. Don't fight me, okay? I know y'all like to tussle. Hairstyle number 2. I'm just gonna take this down, and it's really easy to take down, y'all. So I want to show you how to take it down. Just undo this part, swoop, swoop, take off the scarf, boom. This one is my personal fave. It's just, you know, it gives a certain like soft energy that I love. Let's do it. So with this style, I'm going to be using a scrunchie, well, hair tie, whatever. This one, cause you know, it's more constricting, but it's not too constricting, so I like that. I'm going to gather all of the hair like this and give myself a beautiful facelift, like darling. So to the front of my head, so it can like frame everything better. So you can see my little egg doing it, you know, and put her on. I'll do it once. Okay, so that looks right, like as right as it's gonna get. And now I'm gonna take the same scarf and I'm gonna fold it differently this time. Well, no, I'm not. I'm gonna half it like I did the other one, about this wide. And now we're gonna take the scarf, put it to the back of the hair, bring it up, just so everything can be nice and tight. And you wanna crisscross it at the front. And now once it's crisscrossed and tug like this, now that you have it like that, we are going to go in the opposite direction. Twirl, twirl, twirl. And just keep twirling. And then we're gonna take these and wrap around the back. And then we're just gonna tuck. Like everything else I've been doing, just tuck. No bobby pins, girl, necessary with this one. And voila, let me go make sure it's right. I'm just gonna pull out, you know, the little flyaway hairs that got stuck. And just zhuzh it up to your liking, girl. Just, you know, shape it, play with it, all that good stuff. This is style number 2. And this like gives you like an instant facelift that I love. And it just looks so cute. So yeah, that's how I do style number 2. I did do reading my ages because I just wanted them to be more dramatic. But this is the final look of the second hairstyle. Very like soft goddess, chocolate goddess vibe. And I love that for me. Like, I love that for me. I honestly think this is the best one in my opinion. I know I only did 2, but this is top 2 and it ain't number 2. Bars. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see even more of my beautiful chocolate face, you can comment. No, not comment. We'll do that too. But you can make the red button great and subscribe to my channel, of course. And you can go binge watch all the rest of my videos to get caught up, girl. So you can follow my social media accounts. We're listed down below. Link just for you. Like, all you gotta do, go down there and click the link. And then heart eyes on all my pictures. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below your thoughts. Which one was your favorite? Number 1 or number 2? Which one takes the cake? It's number 2 for me. So I will see you guys in the next one. I'm about to go take some pictures. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.